Did you know one of America's most famous women's rights leaders was actually a racist who threw black women under the bus? Frances Willard led the Women's Christian Temperance Union and fought for women's voting rights. But here's what they don't teach you in school. In the 1890s, Willard wanted support from white Southern women, so she made a deal with the devil. She started spreading lies that black men were dangerous rapists who threatened white families. She claimed alcohol made black men violent and unsafe around white women. When the brave journalist Ida B. Wells confronted her about lynching, Willard refused to condemn it. Instead, she suggested black men deserve violence for crimes they didn't even commit. This was supposed to be a Christian woman fighting for justice. Willard banned black women from her meetings and conventions. She forced them to create their own separate organizations. Her racist strategy worked perfectly. Millions of white women joined her cause while black women were left behind. This is how white feminism was born, built on the backs of black women's suffering.